Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change this tail lamp right here on this Chevy Cruze. If your Chevy Cruze look like this, doesn't matter if it's 2021 or if it's 2017, it's the same procedure of changing the rear tail lamp on the outer side of the vehicle. So whether it's on the right side, this one is the right side I'm going to change, but it could be the same for the left side. So you want to open your trunk, so you can use your key. On the newer model, Chevy gets smart, start putting a button right here, and they start putting a button in the car. They never used to have that. So let's get in here. You want to pull this right here. This is a clip. I'm gonna put a clip remover in the description. I'm gonna go get a clip remover right now, and I'm also gonna put one in the description. And also, if I find a tail lamp, I will leave it in the description also. But if I can't find it, you know how that go. Alright, so make sure it's the same. Alright, look like it match. Let's get to business. Alright guys, so we have our clip puller right here. Just one slide behind it. Or if you guys have a flathead screwdriver, you guys can also do this as well. So as you can see, the clips are already coming out. I just gotta work it out. Once that come out, you want to put your clip somewhere, maybe right there, so you don't lose it. This, you just want to hold it, bring it down so you have enough room to remove these screws. So you have one right here, one back there. I don't think you can see it. One right here. Just trust me, one is there. Oh, there you go. You can see it right now. One right there. So 1, 2, 3, and that will remove the tail lamp for you guys. And also this right here, you wanna unplug the tail lamp by squeezing this. Once you squeeze this and pull back on it, it's gonna come loose. And after you do that, you guys want to go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to the channel while we move on to the next process, right? So now I have a ratchet handle and also a 8mm socket, and we're gonna go ahead and remove the nuts by just taking out these right here. And guys, you want to put this at the same spot right here so you don't lose them. And you want to do the same thing for all of them, just like that. So once you remove this right here, that's good. So you'll just want to hold a lamp and shake it and pull on it at the same time, and it will come out like this. And also guys, since we're right here, this is the same procedure how you would change your bulb. Also, you just pull this back the same way as you see in front of the video, and come right here, push this right here, pull this out, take out your bulb by just pulling on it straight. And if I can do this with one hand, you guys can do it with two hands. All right, so I can't take it out with one hand, but you get the drift. You just want to hold it hold it and pull it out. Get your new bulb. Assume this is a new bulb right here, and get this like this. Insert your new bulb, put this in right here, lock it back, put it back in, and you would go ahead and screw it back in. But since we're also changing the tail lamp, you just want to squeeze this down right here and take it out like this. So this is a rubber grommet, because you don't want when water come down here and you run down here, it goes on the inside. So that's what this is there for, so water doesn't go in. So we want to get our new tail lamp. It come with a new harness, so we need to run the harness through. Run the harness through first. What you can do is go on the inside, pull the harness through, once you pull it through, make sure it's seated properly like that, and then you want to go in like this. Once you go in, you want to come on this side right here, tighten this down. So you just want to catch all your screws, all your nuts I should say. And right here would be a good time to test your brake and your brake and your turn signal to make sure it works. But because I know mine is working, I'm just gonna continue. So you don't need a torque wrench for this. You just tighten it where it's snug. You don't have to over tighten it. So use your brain and not your muscle, and you will be all right. So once that is done, you can just go ahead and put this back. So you can just put it back between the rubber like this. As you can see, you can use your finger or a flathead screwdriver if you so choose to. That back in. Time to test the light. Make sure the light works. So as you guys can see, the light is working. Let's try the signal. And that worked. And that's it for this video, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time.